kind of a little bit charged up. I'm a lot charged up about these devil dogs because they look real familiar with one of the things that my mother put in the lunchbox, and it was a Hostess thing. I can't remember what it called it, but it looked exactly like this. So let's check out these devil dogs and see about them. Okay, so not sure how to open this. I'm gonna take a chance. We're gonna do this. Try it this way. See if we're right. Yeah, that's it. That's the way they want it done. Just like this. And then it folds. There's a place for it to fold. Then here's your first double dog. Oh, these things are a lot smaller than the ones that I used to have. And they're a little cold too. So. Nice addition to some young person's lunch bucket. They are devil dog. Easy flip open package, and you can see all of those devil dogs in there, just waiting to be getting sorted out to the lunch boxes and so forth. And this is a great deal. Just the way to go.